Protecting your hearing is vital, and choosing the right protection depends on your environment, how long you're exposed, and what other PPE you are wearing. Over-ear defenders like our SNR37 Superior 3 Premium Comfort Ear Defender and SNR32 Heavy Duty Folding Ear Defender are designed for high performance and durability. They offer some of the highest noise reduction levels in the Betafit range. Easy to put on and remove, they're perfect for intermittent use or long shifts in cooler conditions. With padded headbands, comfort foam cushions and adjustable fittings, they combine protection with all-day comfort and confidence. Earplugs, however, are ideal when portability, compatibility, and heat management are priorities. Our HP6001 Foam Earplugs, part of the Better Planet sustainability range, and the BF6000 Foam Earplugs both come in dispenser boxes of 200 pairs. Lightweight and easy to carry, with their bullet-shaped design, soft CRE foam, and eco-friendly packaging, they provide effective protection, particularly in hot climates and against high-frequency noise.